The burial depth of power lines varies depending on the voltage of the line and local regulations. Generally, overhead lines should be 15 feet or 4.6 meters or more above the ground. Underground lines should be buried at a depth of 24 to 36 inches or 61 to 91 centimeters. Lines crossing roads should be buried at a depth of 36 inches or 91 centimeters or more. When dealing with power line wiring under and crossing a house, several guidelines should be followed. Power lines should be buried at a minimum depth of 24 inches or 61 centimeters below the surface of the ground. The line should be encased in a conduit or other protective covering. The conduit should be securely fastened to the house's foundation. Power lines should not cross directly under the center of a house. Instead, they should be diverted around the house or buried at a depth of at least 36 inches or 91 centimeters below the surface. Power lines should be buried at a minimum depth of 24 inches or 61 centimeters below the surface of the ground when crossing the backyard. The line should be encased in a conduit or other protective covering. If the backyard is used for gardening or other activities, the line should be buried at a deeper depth to avoid damage. There are some additional considerations. All power line installations should be performed by a qualified electrician and meet local building and electrical codes. Before digging, contact the local utility company to mark the location of existing underground lines. Power lines should be regularly inspected and maintained to ensure safety and reliability.